Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today, in this video lecture, we are going to see the other MCQs that are related to the chapter number 8, Immunology. In the previous videos lecture, we already talked different MCQs of the Immunology of the chapter number 8, and before that, we already covered the 7th chapter MCQs. If you missed this, so there will be a link in the description box or a complete playlist of the MCQs of the microbiology. So you must watch this old video lecture because it is really important for you guys, because these MCQs are the most repeated MCQs in the NTS GAT subject. So today we are going to talk about the MCQs, and we will start the MCQs from 103 of the Immunology. So 103 MCQ says that animal are natural immuno to infectious caused by, so it is actually caused by Vibrio cholera, Salmonella typhosa. So C is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 104, which says that the immunity acquired by inoculation of living organism of intuited virulence is, so it is mostly artificial active immunity. A is the correct option. 105 MCQ says that organism can be attenuated for inoculation by, so it is mostly by any of the above, so we can say D is the correct option. Have passive immunity least for the period of about so for this we have mostly 10 days, so A is the correct option. 107 MCQ says that the marker helpful in detaching anti-immunity are, so the marker detaching anti-immunity are mostly lymphoid response, circulate, yeah, E is the correct option. All of these. Okay. 108 MCQ says that following substance may act as an antigen, so only vegetable protein are not act as an antigen, so C is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 109, which says that H antigen are present in, so it is mostly present in motile organ. A is the correct option. MCQs number 110 says that antitoxin is used, so it is mostly used for the passive immunization. B is the correct option. 111 MCQ says that the agglutinant test is used for what, so it is mostly used for the isolated bacterial identification, typing of bacterial species, study of antigenic structure, so we can say D is the correct option. All of these. 112 MCQ says that in blood transfusion it is essential that blood of homologous should be always same, direct matching between the patient couples, yeah, so we can say both. A, B is the correct option, C is the correct option. Then MCQs 113 says that to be anaphylactic the synthesizing substance should be what, so the synthesizing substance should be a large molecular weight, so B is the correct option. 114 MCQ says that the basic of pathology in asthma, allergic rhinitis, or urticaria are what, so it is mostly excess of eosinophil, increased capillary local vasodilation, so we can say D is the correct option. All of these. MCQs number 115 says that which test is used for the detected susceptibility of an individual to diphtheria toxin. Obviously it is Schick test, so A is the correct option. Then MCQs 116 says that syndrome associated with human T lymphotrophic virus type 1 are what, so it is mostly hairy cell leukemia. B is the correct option. And then we have 117 MCQs which says that plaque and tularemia vaccine can be prepared from. So it can be prepared from all of these, means virulent bacteria, formalin, heat killed chemical. So is the correct option. MCQs number 118 says that AIDS patient suffering from pneumonia, it is due to so it is actually due to virus, but in this case we have also another bacteria which we call a pneumocytosis carinii. So A is the correct option. 119 MCQ says that the statement applicable to human lice. So for the human lice, so it is mostly all of these are the correct options. So E, natural killer cells. So natural killer cells are mostly display cytotoxic effect on the tumor cells. So C is the correct option. 121 MCQ says that the immunoglobulin is associated with anaphylactic delay type of the hypersensitivity. So in this case IgE are mostly hyper delay type of the hypersensitivity. The most abundant antibody found in the serum. So in the serum we have mostly IgA1 antibody. So A is the correct option. 123 MCQ says that the patient suffering from AIDS having following immunoabnormalities. So in this case they have mostly hyperglobulinemia, CD4 CD8 ratio plus greater than 21. So we can say E is the correct option, both B and D. No, hyperglobulinemia is not, increased CD8 plus T cell and CD4 CD8. So B and D is the correct option. So E is actually the best option we have. 124 MCQ says that immunoglobulin which cannot activate the complement system. So in this case the complement system is activated all of this, but only IgE not involved in complement system. Then we have hydatid disease, that is identified by what? So hydatid disease is mostly identified by Cassino test. So C is the correct option. Then we have MCQs 126 that says that the prestinized Kusterner reaction is generated by. So it is mostly generated by IgE. B is the correct option. MCQs 127 says that the immunoglobulin which are found in asthma. So in asthma IgE are mostly found. B is the correct option. 128 MCQ says that what is the similarity between IgM and IgG. So the similarity is a complement fixation. So A is the correct option. Then what is the estimated technique for the quantitative estimation of the immunoglobulin? So the estimation immunoglobulin is single diffusion in 2 dimensions. So B is the correct option. 130 MCQ says that the cell mediated immunity can be identified. So it can be identified by all of these skin for delay, microphage, sheep red blood. So D is the correct option. Then we have 131 MCQs which says that out of the following which are example of autoimmune disease. So all of these are actually the immuno disease. Then we have 132 MCQ says which of the following is true statement regarding purified protein derivative used in the tuberculin test. So in tuberculin test it should be prepared from the tubercular bacilli. So is the correct option. 133 MCQ says which of the following are inactive viral vaccine. So inactive viral vaccine is all influenza, rabies. So D is the correct option. Then we have 134 MCQs which says that the antigenic variation is the most extensive. So it is the most extensive in case of the influenza virus. Is the correct option. Which is the correct statement related to the hepatitis virus? So obviously Rio virus is the correct option related to the hepatitis B virus. So this is all about the MCQs of the chapter number 8 which contain 135 MCQs. So I hope this video is help for you. Inshallah, in the next video we will explain the MCQs related to the chapter number 9, and it is the medical microbiology. I hope these videos help for you. Thank you so much for watching.